Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove a device from Google Find My Device. So let me open up Find My Device, and to show you my devices, of course I have to sign in and put in my password. There we go. And here you'll see I have two devices connected. So I'll go and remove this device. It's a very easy, guys. So first, you go to your settings, scroll all the way down, click on Google, okay? And for this Google account, what I will do is I'll click on Find My Device right here and toggle this one off. Put in your password. There we go. Press on Enter. Now this one is toggled off. And you can go a step further, guys. You can come here, click on a Google, click on your email here, click on Manage Accounts on this device. You can go a step further and find that email and remove this account completely. Okay? But since we did that, and toggled off Find My Device, let me just show you. So here we go. I can go ahead and tap on this first one, and it is trying to contact this device. As you can see, Find My Device is turned off, so we have removed it. And if you want to completely go a step further, guys, of course, you can remove this account entirely. And it's really that easy and simple.